Hi guys! So we're here swimming. Look at how big, huge this swimming pool. So we're here in San Jose. I don't know how to pronounce that one. I'm sorry. But anyway, we're here and welcome to my channel.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep.
Guys, so this is the hotel. And there's the elevator. But they're not working.
Kalau saya buat gaya mo gosir sa.
Hi guys, so we're here in the new resort here in Davao. What's the name here? Well, we're here in San Jose.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. San Jose Resort.
Jose, something like that. So we'll give you a quick tour in our bedroom here. So this is the only one queen bed. So we got this one. So we booked this one 2 days ago and we're staying here for one night. So this is their closet. Oh my god, big. That's what I want in the house. I can fit all my clothes there. And here, sorry about our things.
Maybe they're gonna make this like a little kitchenette.
Kitchen, yeah. Go. The upper cabinet, and they have a complimentary coffee here. Total of 4 coffees, something like that. Only 3. And they have a water heater, and they have a fire extinguisher.
On top of having fire extinguishers in the ceiling too.
Yeah. So this is the bed, the queen size bed. So this is the only one in the entire hotel.
Yeah. It's crazy.
And they have a nice big TV, Samsung, and it's a smart TV, so you can watch your YouTube and Netflix. What else, baby? Disney. So this is their complimentary good morning kit. So what's inside on this one?
Little tiny bar of soap, I'm assuming. Shampoo and with conditioner. Toothbrush. And toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Go
And,
wild on that one.
and we have slippers. 2 slippers. So they have a nice here, like a hanging cabinet. Oh, what's in there?
Oh, we gotta watch it.
So they have a table here, so you can order food in the restaurant. So we just came back there, so we just order food and they will deliver here. So yep, 3 people can sit there. Look at how huge this room.
Big.
Very big, guys.
But then the bathroom, you can see, you
Yeah.
can tell just right there how big the bathroom is. Bathroom is gigantic.
And we're in the ground floor. Good. So they have a split AC air condition here, which is really cold, nice. So here's the view. It's already dark. It's getting dark. It's nighttime.
Big
So that's
pool.
their pool over here, and this is the
Entrance.
the guardhouse over here. So we're here on ground floor. So tomorrow we're going to show you there, look around. So it's dark already. It's around 6 o'clock here. Nice blackout curtain. So they have a side table and one lampshade. So nice bed, soft bed, baby. What do you think? The bed.
It's not like a hard firm, but it's firm, but soft. I mean, it looks like, feels like it's got a topper or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's like a pillow top. But it's still a firm, soft, firm.
So I like their ceiling, guys, just like my kitchen in the house with a pin light and a cove light. So this is drawers, big side table,
I'm looking for the Holy Bible.
Holy Bible.
All hotels in the U.S. got Holy Bibles. Not this one.
So we're going to check the bathroom.
That's a little weird, folks. 3 people, 1 bed. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe you got a child. So here's the bathroom.
Oh, they both.
Look at how big this one. Wow. Okay. So here's the bathroom.
Oh. The highlight of the bathroom. Push the red button. There we go.
Wow. Beautiful mirror with the lights. Touch screen. Just click that one. Turn it off. Turn it on.
Approximately 10 hours later.
The big bathroom and the shower. Look at the shower.
And another weird thing, I mean, but your whole family can fit in. I mean, big boy like me, I mean, yeah, you got all kinds
big.
of room
Yes.
with the rain shower. And then one shower.
One big rain shower and a shower.
Of course, my favorite.
Yeah.
Heat. Hot shower.
And this one is a sliding door, right? Yeah, it's a sliding door glass. We got plastic, guys, for our shampoo. So here, this is their toilet. Then look how big. Look at that space there under the sink. Big. Pretty big. Nice door. So this is the layout of the hotel. So only second floor.
No, only 2 stories.
Only
But
2-story
they
there.
have all those, I guess you can show it tomorrow. Too, all those like, whatever you call
The
them,
villa.
cabana.
Yeah, the villa.
Cabanas down, over, over. So that circle, the gigantic pool. The pool is just humongous.
Okay, but tomorrow, guys, so lots of people today, so we're going to share it to you tomorrow. The pool, how big the pool. So far, what can you say about the room?
It's one of
One of the biggest room we ever had,
rooms that
hotel here in
we've
Davao.
had in Philippines.
Yeah, in the Philippines.
It's
Oh yeah, this
gigantic.
this
It's
is it, no?
gigantic.
But in Tropica, they're bigger too.
Yeah, but not this big.
It's
I
not
don't
as
think.
big as
Not
this
that I
one.
remember. It's not this big.
Yeah.
And Tropica is old.
Mm.
I mean, it's nice though. It's a nice. You know, it's different nice. They got a swimming pool there too, but a lot of tropical type, you know,
Yeah,
stuff.
it's nice
It's
too.
really nice there too, but yeah, but this one.
We just
You want
wanna
swimming
try
pool?
this one. That
That's the
one.
biggest swimming pool I probably have seen in my entire life. Yeah.
So tomorrow, guys, we're going to tour you around, or maybe later we go swimming. I don't know. What do you think?
Go
We
where?
go swimming?
Tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
Yeah, because it's too
Still
hot.
still a lot of people.
Still a lot of people. That's why we're.
I mean, we can be outcast and go to Northern End over there. Nobody will.
Yeah.
But it's gigantic though. It's still, you got plenty of room.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. So as you can hear the honest review of my husband, it's nice. So I guess they have some need to be added here, like a small ref or a whole body mirror here with the other hotel, just but it's they're newly open, so maybe next time. So that's it. So see you tomorrow for the pool review. Bye.
The next day.
Good morning. So hi guys, we're here alone swimming. How many feet? Hi guys. So this is the outside look of San Dulce. I'm sorry I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I just put the name of the resort. So this is the newly open here. So I guess last year only they opened. So as you can see, this is the hotel that we're staying, and that's the restaurant. And then the second floor in the rooftop is their function room, so you can rent there for exclusive parties or events, something like that. But I guess they got a big function hall here that I seen in their Facebook, that they can have a venue for the wedding or some birthdays. So as you can see, they got a lot of cottage and rooms surrounded in their property. So this is really big. Yeah. So there's two lion here. So stand up there, baby. I take your photo. No, here lang. Here. Between them. So I can take a photo between. So there's a water coming out that mouth and the lion, but it's not working right now. So as you can see, they have a Aquaman between. Okay, you can stop there and smile to me. 1, 2, 3. Smile. And they got two sliding. It's not that high and long, but yeah, you can go up, climb up there, and yeah, si Aquaman. It's dripping. And there's another pool for the kids, guys, right over there. So yeah, they got a lot of cottages here, so you can rent. So the day tour here is 250 pesos per head. So I just put the prices on the description below. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, my husband having fun there. So we enjoy here, guys. So if you want to come over here and spend time with your families bonding together, so this is the perfect place for you guys, and it's not that far from downtown. It's near to the airport, and it's near to our house actually.
I mean, heck, you can leave the airport
Yeah, and then
and
go,
just circle right back around right there. It's
then
not far
stay
from
here in the
airport.
hotel.
I mean,
Yeah.
the landing, the airstrip is right over here.
Yeah.
So the terminals are down there.
Yeah.
I can see 'em,
Yeah, the
actually.
terminal down there, Day.
I can see them from here.
Mm.
And then you have to exit out on that main highway over here and then just come down. Come that one road.
And then it's quiet here, guys. Last night, pretty good. We sleep pretty good. They got a big, huge room. So yeah, that's it. Oh, the water is cold.
See, that lion looks angry. That one looks scared.
Oh yeah, they look not same. Okay, guys. Woo!